Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Hostinger DNS Zone Editor. Now first of all, go to the hpanel.hostinger.com and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once done, so on the left side you will see multiple options like home, websites, domains, horizons. So just go to this third option, which is domain in our case. And inside the domain portfolio, you will see a list of all the domain that you have or connected to the Hostinger, which I will attach a screenshot. So let's say you have a domain inside it attached. Just click on manage, and once you click on this manage button, so it will redirect it to the directly settings, where you can just click on DNS or name servers, which is the second option. Just click on DNS name servers and you will be redirected inside the DNS records, where you can see the name servers, change name server, manage DNS records. So in this section, this is basically the DNS editor. How you can use if you want to change name servers, if you want to add records, if you want to edit any of the old that is already listed or available. So let's say I want to add a new DNS record. So you just need to choose the type, which is A, and there are many others available as well. You can choose the name and the points too, as you which you can add, that is your choice, and the TTL as well. And once you add all these settings, you can just click on add records and it will be added. If you want to edit it or delete it, you can do it from the bottom section. That is your choice. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can use it inside the Hostinger. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.